Welcome to my new video. This is an Infinix Android phone, and the customer complains that the phone is tripping on and off. So I checked the phone and I discovered that the power flex, that is the main power key, is broken. As you can see on the phone frame, you can see that the two volumes are okay, but the power key is broken. So since only the power key is broken, I'm going to change only the key since the volume key are still okay. So now I'm disconnecting the screen and the battery from the panel now. So let me unscrew the panel and then take it out of the phone casing. So be careful as you are taking the panel, and make sure your hand doesn't touch the camera. Be careful, engineers, when you're doing this kind of work. Be careful so that your hand doesn't touch the camera, so that it doesn't get dirty. Okay, so be very careful. Be careful with the camera. Be careful. Then you keep the panel aside and then remove your battery. Make sure you are careful so that you don't puncture the battery. So now I'm removing my battery now. I want to make sure the battery doesn't get punctured in the process. So now you can see I've removed my battery. So now I'm going to carry my chemical. Let me get my chemical. Please, engineers, when doing your customers' work, please take your time and do a very good job for your customers so that they can enjoy your services. Okay, take your time and do the work. Don't be in a hurry. Okay, so now I want to use my chemical now. Use my chemical so that I can easily remove the power flex from the frame completely, so that I can fix the power button. So now I'm using my razor blade with the chemical so that I can easily remove it. Please be careful so that I don't damage the whole of the flex. Be careful. Do it gently. Do it gently. Okay. Do it gently. Gently. Okay. Take your time, engineers. Take your time. Take your time. Take your time. Take your time and do it gently so that you don't damage the whole of the power flex. So I'm still using my razor. I'm applying the chemical so that I can remove it easily. This chemical will weaken the gun. It's going to weaken the gun so that I can easily take it out of the frame. As you can see, it's helping me. You can see it. It's helping me. So now that place is a little bit stiff. So I'm applying the chemical again. Applying the chemical so that I can easily pull it out. You can see, don't use too much force on it so that you don't cut it. You can see I've removed it successfully from the phone frame. So now let me pour back my chemical back into the container and keep it aside so that it doesn't pour away. Now I'm going to keep the phone casing aside also. So now this is the power flex. I'm going to work on the power flex now. So I'm positioning my soldering iron. As you can see, I'm positioning my soldering iron now. So now this is the power flex. I'm going to remove the power key. I'm removing this one. This is the new one. So be careful when you are doing this, engineers. Make sure your hand doesn't shake and be time conscious. Don't wait too much. Don't wait too much. Otherwise, it's going to spoil the power key. You can see I've removed it. I've removed it successfully. I've removed it. So now I'm going to take the 41 now, the one for the phone. This is the one for the phone, as you can see. So now let me remove the 41 from it and then replace it with the new one. Let me zoom it for you. So now I want to remove the 41 now. Please be time conscious when doing this work. Be time conscious so that it doesn't burn the whole power flex. You can see I've successfully removed it. You can see So now I'm picking the good power flex that I removed just now. So now I'm positioning it on the power flex. You can see. Yeah. I'm trying to position it well before I place it on the solder. You can see I position it. So now you can see it. So now I'm placing it on the soldering iron so that the heat from the soldering iron is going to melt the lead on the power flex so that it will solder it together, and then everything will be fine. So don't waste too much time so that it doesn't burn the whole power flex or burn the power key I put in. So now I'm done. I'm going to keep it a little, let it dry now. You can see the work is done. It has dried. You can see it's not moving. So the work is done. I'm going to, you can see now, you can see it is well okay now. As you can see, it is okay now. So now you can see. So now let me remove my soldering iron so that I can couple the phone for the customer, and then let me test it for the customer. Now I'm going to use a little gum on the phone frame before I'll place the power flex. So now don't apply the gum too much. So I'm trying to apply a little. I'm applying a little. You can see the quantity I'm applying. I don't want it to be too much on the phone. Okay, so try and do a neat job. You can see, engineers, try and do a neat job for your customers so that they can enjoy your service. You can see, you can see. So now I'm placing the power flex now on the foam frame. Do it very well, okay, engineers? Don't rush. Don't rush your work so that you can do a good job for your customer. Don't rush your work. Take your time and do the work. Take your time and do the work. Okay? So now I'm placing the power flex. I want to make sure there's no obstacle under it. So now I'm placing it so that I'm trying to place it correctly on the foam frame. You can see, you can see. I want to be accurate on the foam. Let it align very well before I'll put the panel. You can see. So now let me carry the panel now. Here is the panel. So now I'm placing it on the phone frame now. Yeah. So let me put the phone screen. Okay, everything done. So now remaining the screw. Let me put the screw before I put the battery. So I want to put the screw. So I'll put one of the screw. So remain the second one. So I'm putting the screw now. Please, engineers, take your time and do your work well. Don't rush your work because of money. Don't rush your work because of too much customers on ground. Take your time and do the work. Whichever one you can do in a day, do it. So please take your time. Take your time and do the work. Now I've taken the phone casing. So now I'm putting the battery now. Putting the battery. Putting the battery. You can see. So now I'm going to try it. Let me test if it will work. Okay, let's test it. Boom. You can see the phone has come on. So our work was perfectly done. You can see it is working. The Infinix has shown and it's booting up now. You can see. You can see that it is working. So our work was well done. So please take your time and do your work for your customer. Okay? Take your time and do a good job for your customer so that they can recommend people to you and also come back next time. Okay? Do a neat job. Do a neat job. So I'm putting back the screw onto the phone. Putting the screws back onto the phone. So take your time. Do a good job Don't be in a rush. Do a good job. Do a good job. Okay? Let your customer enjoy your services. And thank you for watching. See you again in my next video. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like this and many more, including flashing software and also MP3 and many more videos coming your way. Okay? See you again. Bye for now.